Alright, I'm inside the Visual Studio Code. In this video, we're going to create a new component for card status. So let's begin. So what I'll do is, I'm going to create a new terminal window. Let me clear the console. ng, G for generate, C for component, and we're going to keep all the components in a dedicated folder components / the component name, which is card minus status. And I don't want the spec files to be generated for this component, so I'll set the spec to be false. Hit enter. This is going to generate all the necessary files, the HTML file, CSS file, and the TS file. It also updates the app.module.ts file. So let's reload the project, and if you expand the components, you will see a new component, card minus status. So what I'll do is I'm going to minimize this terminal window, and let me close this project explorer, and let me open up the app.component.html. So we're going to clean up some of the code. So let's open the app.component.html, and in this file, so if you go at the top, we have a div with a class container. So I'm going to get rid of that div because we don't need that. Alright, we have removed the div with the class container, and I'm going to remove the button element which is next to the anchor element. We don't need that button element, so let's remove that. And also we're going to remove the div with the id navbar responsive, which is this part. So we don't need that div as well, so let's go ahead and remove that. So now if you save the application and if you take a look at the browser, this is how our application looks like. So we have removed the container part, so there is no margin at the navigation bar. This is fine. So now let's go back to the Visual Studio Code, and what I'll do is I'm going to add an unordered list next to the anchor element. So for that, I'm going to copy this part. So let's take a copy of this and paste it at the top. So let me get rid of this margin left minus auto, and I'm going to remove the first two list items, the home and about, so we don't need that. And I'm going to change the text services to about us, and I'll change the text contact to contact us. And next we have this search component. So let's open up the search view template, which is search minus component.html. And so what I'll do is, we don't need this much of code for the search view template, so I'm going to rewrite the code. So let me create a div with a class navbar minus nav, and also we're going to add up one more class, which is margin left minus 2. So inside this div, we're going to add the input element. So let's cut this part and paste it in the down, and also we're going to cut the button. Okay, so let's cut the button and paste it within the div element. Give me a second, let me format this HTML. So let me remove this part. Alright, let's save this. And if you take a look at the browser, so this is how it looks. It's supposed to give a little space between the text box and the button. I don't know, maybe this is of the browser issue. It is not picking up the margin left. Okay, that is fine, no problem. So now let's go to the app.component.html. After the search component, we have this unordered list. What I'll do is I'm going to remove the first two list items, and okay, before that, what I'll do is we have generated a new component for cart status. Let's include that selector. So I'm going to create a div with the class margin left minus auto, and within that we're going to add the selector. So for that, let's open up the cart minus status dot component.ts file. Let's copy the selector, go to the app.component.html and paste it. So now we have the selector, and now I'm going to get rid of this list items. Before that, let me remove the margin left minus auto. Let me get rid of the first two list items. Let's save this, and if you take a look at the browser, so this is how it looks like, and you can see now the cart status text which is displaying in the navigation bar. Okay, so this is fine. So in the next video, we're going to add a status to our application, cart status to our application. That is coming up in the next video.